What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick and early update today, as I have a Eid day today, so that's why I want to give an early update. So starting with natural gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. So what do we have right here? And as you can see, the price hit a level of major resistance. If you have seen my live session yesterday, I've already mentioned that this is not a valid bearish engulfing pattern. In my live session, I've already mentioned that. If you have seen that, that's awesome. But as you can see, the price opened below. For a candle to be a valid engulfer, must fully engulf the previous candle with a body from top till the bottom, but from the top, as you can see, it did not engulf the candle. So at this point, we are still in a range of double top pattern. This candle did not close above, but came back down and closed back down. So that is why that's a minor double top pattern, not a major one. Major would be something like this. But looking at that, it can be an aggressive entry as well. Looking at this nice swing high 382 candle. If next candle closed as a bearish engulfing candle, it must fully engulf the previous candle with a wick as well. If that happens, in that case, we will have a valid bearish signal. And in that case, let's say the candle closed somewhere here, I will keep my stop loss a bit above the wick and take profit 1-to-1 initially, something like this. So if we have this condition, I will go short, but short term only. Not doesn't mean that we will reverse here. It might, but I'm not expecting that. But I'm expecting some nice push down from here and then a possible push up back to my rejection zone. If broken and close above this high, only then we will start to look for the next bullish trade. For now, if this candle closes a bearish engulfer, in that case, I will expect some nice push down and then a possible push back up. So very important to keep your stop loss and take profit as well, because sometimes the price hit you take profit and then push back up. That is why very important. Once you place a trade, set both stop loss and take profit. So I'm expecting a price to push down if this closes the bearish candle. Otherwise, this is also a bearish signal. In this type of entry, I keep my entry a little bit below. I enter a little bit below, but looking at the double top, we can also enter right at the close at this candle. But for a less aggressive way, wait for the price to form a bearish engulfer. In that case, we will have a valid aggressive entry and price will likely push down from here. And I'm expecting price to come down at least 280, which is something like this, at least less than 280, something like this. So wait for that. Once we have closed, once the price closed, only then we're going to enter our trades. And please do not take my words on it. It is just my opinion. This is how I personally trade and sharing with you. Nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. For here on Awanda, we still did not hit the level above. But let me give you the zones in case you missed these zones. Right here, the zone above on this platform is right here. 2.002, that goes to 2.153. Here on Awanda, the zone here, 1.895, that goes to 2.011. So on this platform, if this candle goes to the bearish engulfer, we can just expect some pullbacks and then a possible push back up. So if you have an entry condition on capital.com, we can still go short. But I personally trade here on Awanda, so I will enter once we have a condition here. But again, if you have a condition on capital.com, we have still an entry condition and price will likely push down there. So wait for the candle to close. Once we have closed, only then we're going to take our sell trade here. If we have a nice push down above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long again till we are in the zone to take my next sell trades. Right here on EMEX, price is almost there. I sometimes gave it an exception if the price is very close to my zone. So in that case, if we have a next candle close as a bearish engulfing pattern, in that case we will have a valid sell signal. Right here, the zone here on EMEX is 1.947, that goes to 2.095, a zone from where now we are looking for a valid trades. So bearish engulfer will be a valid sell signal, and I'm expecting a price to push down at least 280, 1 to 280. Right here, stop loss above, take profit 1-to-1 initially, and then price will likely push up from here. So expecting some good push down only if we have a bearish engulfing pattern. So keep an eye. Once we have a signal, we are good to go for our trades. Next, we have gold. So as mentioned yesterday, that I'm expecting a price to come back to this anchor level right here. I think so. I've mentioned that in my Urdu channel, but this was an anchor level I've just marked, and exactly from where the price is reacting, we have a CPI report. We have an interest rate decision that was positive for dollar, and that pushed the price down, and then price is pushing up. So right here for gold, I'm still not bearish, but if this candle turned to be a red candle and the next candle turned to be a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we will have a valid buy signal and price will again push up from here and keep on taking longs, and 180 will be my targets. But if not, if we have again pushed down back to my previous anchor level, which I've been mentioning from last two videos, right here as you can see the number in black, And if you have a push down with bullish engulfer, in that case I'm going to go long. Looking at the positive news of dollar, we can expect some more push down above 50 EMA with a condition like bullish engulfer, and price will likely push up from here. So keep an eye. Once we have a condition like a pullback entry bullish, only then we're going to take our next buy trade. Only trend continuation trades. We are not looking for counter trades as long as we are making new higher highs and we are not broken below this previous lows. Next we have silver. Silver is again in a level of major resistance. Right here we had a nice bearish condition, and I'm still expecting a price to push down at least till 50 EMA, from where we can get a possible push up. So still waiting for the price to push lower. We have a bearish signal, and I'm expecting a price to come down at least 1 ATR. If you're looking at 1 ATR target, that is also valid from here. 1 ATR is, if you hover over this candle, 1 ATR is 40 points right here. 40 points is something like this, 27.46. That's a 1 ATR target, and then you can manage your trades further till 50 EMA. It's totally up to you. So now I'm expecting a price to push lower, looking at this nice resistance level, looking at this bearish candle, bearish pressure right here and right here. So not looking for buy trades until we get a nice push down 50 EMA, bullish engulfing candle, and pullback entry bullish, a valid condition, something like this. Only then I'm going to go along for this one. For now, if you're on a sell trade, use 1 ATR and then exit. Look for the next condition I've just mentioned. Here on crude oil, we have an inventory report very shortly, so wait and see how it goes. If the price break and close below 50 EMA, in that case, only then I start to look for my bearish trade. Remember, 2 candles I want to see below 50 EMA. If we have a positive news for crude oil, positive inventories for crude oil, in that case, I'm expecting a good push up at least till recent high. If we have a wick gone above, then I start to look for my pullback entry bullish and keep on taking longs till we are in the zone above right here, 90.71. That goes up to 93.26, from where we're going to look for our bearish counter trend trade with engulfers double top entry pattern. So keep an eye. If the price push up, we have a fundamental signal plus. Technically, we will look for the pullback entry bullish till we are in the zone above in red. So that's it for commodities, guys. I'm going to upload a video for Urdu channel as well very shortly, so keep an eye there as well. So that's it for commodities. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.